双下握。
Double under guard pass. Going under his legs, C grip, under, gable grip. These are the two grips you gotta know. C grip, gable grip. There you go. Grab his ankles, on his back, C grip. Push him up. I gotta drop my knees to his hips. Go under, gable grip. From here, I pull him in, so he's on me, and push him forward so he's stacked. Elbow my toes, grab his shoulder, elbow in the throat. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Circle, shrug. Come back, chest to chest, arm under, and turn his chin with my shoulder.
所以他会抓我的脚，他会坐在他的膝盖上，他会抓我的腰 ，gable grip， 还有拉我上来，我的膝盖在他的肩膀上，他用血抓，在我的脖子上，他在压我的腰，我抓我的脖子 ，side control。
Sometimes when we double under pass, guys are real good at recovering their guard with this. Very simply go back. Okay. He's going to be here and coming back into guard. So here's a crazy thing we can do to counter this. Get him down like before, C grip, and push in, he's here. From here we have this opportunity to slide through